Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bolts. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page of app info, we click on bolt. Here in this page we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will start your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your